Deluxe Sous Vide Style Egg Bite Maker with silicone molds for breakfast sandwiches, healthy snacks or desserts, keto and paleo friendly, 1 large, 4 mini, black. List price, $29.99. Price, $24.99. You save, $5, 17%. About this item. Satisfaction, from the creators of the original Rapid Egg Cooker, the Egg Bite Maker now gives you perfect, sous vide style egg bites at home, every time, without the hefty price tag. Quick plus easy, short on time. Simply prep your eggs, fill the silicone molds, cook, and eat. Versatile, this is the perfect appliance for picky eaters, those who have busy schedules, meal prep, or follow keto, paleo, gluten-free, or vegetarian lifestyles, with up to 12 g protein per serving. The Egg Bite Maker can even be used for desserts, mini cheesecakes or custard, all within minutes. It couldn't be easier. Compact plus lightweight, weighing 2 pounds, the Egg Bites Maker is your must-have for that first apartment, smaller kitchen, college dorm life, or camper/RV traveling. Plus, its sleek design and trendy color options will accent any kitchen space. Includes, for 20 watt Deluxe Egg Bite Maker includes 4 mini silicone molds, 1 large silicone mold, recipe book and recipe database access. All non-electric parts are dishwasher safe.